This is how to make a branch on my channel.
Okay, so you see this stick?
Yep.
We want
For the viewers.
to attach it right there. So we need to have it in this angle like this. So I need to drill a hole right in the middle. It goes in that direction. And then I can simply slide in my little stick right here on this. So we have to drill a hole here.
Sorry, this is loud, guys. He was using a power tool. That's why it's super loud.
So this board is really hard and my tool is having a hard time penetrating through it. But we're going to try it again. Here we go. Right location.
Got it?
You can see the hole.
And the viewers? Yep, they can.
So we're going to
No,
slide it
wait, why is it?
at an angle.
Let me see it. So why is it here and going down in front and then getting here?
Because we want to have, if you drill a straight hole, then your branch will be like this. I wanted the branch to be tilted slightly. So that's why I did a tilted hole. So when I slide it in, it's going to be slightly at an angle. We'll see how it looks.
See?
There it goes. Push it really slowly, gently in there. Maybe I need to make the hole a little wider. It's not sliding in easily. Now it should go in.
Then I'm actually going to be putting this on YouTube.
There you go. What we do want to do is it's still kind of loose, so I'm going to screw it through here to make sure it's secure to the branch. So I'm going to drill a small hole, not this big, but a smaller one. And put a small nail or a screw through it, so it's going to be fine. So pause the video for now.
Dad, I can't.
So you can stop it.
No, I want to show the full thing. Dad actually talk like a 15-year-old. I talk like a 15-year-old. Don't try. Do I talk like a 15-year-old? You guys get to decide. Make sure, guys, if you don't forget to like this video. I almost forgot to tell you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend or a family member. Subscribe with those bell notifications on so you always can be. You always can be.
Access the newest content on my channel.
Yeah.
So I got two nails and 2 screws here. And one of these should fit perfectly in this one, so we'll try. If I'm right, the first one will fit just fine. Let's try number 1.
So.
It's still kind of loose. So I need something that's slightly thicker than this one. Maybe I will have to go upstairs again to get something. Or I can try to screw it right there, like this. That worked.
It worked. It worked! Let's go, guys.
That's it. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye. Guys, also, you guys can vote if it looks good or bad. 1 to 5. 1 is bad. 2 is a little better. 3 is good. 4
Is
a
better
li-
than good,
is
and
a
5 is awesome.
yeah. So, bye. Thanks for watching.